What's up YouTube? This is Suburban Angling. I normally don't do intros, so I just wanted to show my face real quick. I'm at an undisclosed location. I'm about to do some more creek smallie fishing, and I'm with my friends, another angler. It's Young and Fishless.
What's up, guys? We got a really nice video. Hopefully the fish are cooperating today and we'll get some nice smallies. We may potentially get 2 fish at once on the rig we're using.
Yeah, he has a double fluke rig going on, but he's not using actual flukes. He has like his own little like shiny minnow looking things. Yeah, he's some JDM. Yeah, so it's gonna go hard. So hopefully we can make something happen, and I'll get back to you guys at the creek. Oh, what's up, guys? So we finally arrived at the spot. It's higher than we usually when we fish it because, well, you know, we always come during the summer. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna get a quick picture for the Instagram, and then we're gonna make our first cast in this deep pool right here. You said first cast, huh?
Yeah, first cast.
Dude. All right, guys, we're back at the creek. Oh, I got one too. Look. Oh, I got one. I got a pretty big one. I don't even have, my drag is like not even set at all. Well, yeah, this hole is deeper too, so I don't know. There's probably a couple more. I thought it was a snag, and then it was fighting back. It's that crankbait action. The first time we came here, we caught a lot of numbers, but not a lot of size. And then I switched to a crankbait on the way back, and I caught like 5 of our biggest ones of the day. Yeah. It's not bad. Actually has pretty colors if you look at it. It's one of the prettier ones. Though usually in this creek they actually don't get stripes like this. They're just kind of brown.
Okay,
right there. Yeah, it's not bad though. Definitely makes the day feel a little better. Sweet. They're around. It does, man. Oh, I got a big one. I snagged a sucker, dude. I thought I had a bigger fish because he made one big pull, but nope, just a fat sucker fish. Sorry, homie. Ah! You got me. Look at that mouth. It's made to suck on things. Ugly. Looks kind of cool though. Let's give him a rock to suck on. If he stays right there, this is the funniest ever. Oh no, there he goes. For a second, I thought he was about to just stay there and suck on the rock. That would have been kind of funny. He's like, whoa, well, thank you. I got one. It's not jumping, bro. It's a walleye. I'm telling you, it's an eye. It's either an eye or no, it's fighting like a smallie. No, it's a catfish. It's none of the above. All right, you guys have a good one. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we switched spots, switched baits, and we'll end up getting a little channel cat. We'll just let him go. Ready? Don't. There he goes. He smacked it like as I was saying bye to my homies. And then this little channel cat comes out of nowhere and just boop. Just gonna keep working the jig. I forgot, I literally don't have any braid cutters, so I can't change lures. I'll have to using a Texas rig worm, honestly. Something might have just, yep. Oh, there's a fish. There's one. I felt that knock, guys. Decent bass. He's about a 1.5. Fill him up. There we go. On the GoPro, guys. I felt a nice knock. Hell yeah. What you guys know about that? Urban pond fishing, guys. I literally am just reeling it in, reeling it in. All of a sudden, here's a decent bass too, guys. He's not, you know, anything too huge, but he's about a solid 15-inch, 1.5 pound fish. You know, I'm not gonna put it too close to the camera. It's big enough yet, but it's a good fish. Like, here, that's a good bass right there. I felt it good, like I'm reeling it in, dragging it. I feel a knock. I'm like, oh, what's that knock? Let me just set the hook real quick, boom. Bass on. So, yep, it's awesome. Let's just let him go. That wasn't the first hit I got. There's more of them out there. Herbert. Oh, you stupid mutt. He just jumped in the water. I don't think he meant to do that. I threw the bass back, guys. He's fine. I just watched him swim away. He's swimming away right there. I watched him swim away, guys. He's all good. Oh, Herbert, you stupid dog. That's the second time he's jumped in this pond. He wants to shake off. Oh, you dumb dog. It's okay. He probably kind of wanted to do that.